Wake up, Raleigh. I'm Matt Peiken, and this is your local newscast for Tuesday, December 30th, our last of 2025 on this short New Year's week. WakeMed has implemented visitor restrictions across its facilities in response to a sharp rise in flu cases statewide. As of December 22nd, children under 12 are barred from patient care areas, and individuals showing flu-like symptoms are urged to stay home. State data shows a 493% increase in flu-related hospital admissions since early November. The dominant H3N2 strain, now accounting for nearly 90% of cases, is believed to be more contagious. Flu vaccination rates in Wake, Durham, and Orange counties remains below past years. Read more about this in the News and Observer. Christy Page, the newly named CEO of UNC Health and Dean of UNC School of Medicine, is stepping into permanent leadership as the system faces major challenges. Page, a family physician and UNC graduate, plans to grow the health network regionally, including new facilities in Asheville and Apex. But Medicaid cuts, reduced NIH research funding, and an uncertain state budget threaten services and the proposed $3 billion children's hospital. Page says the system must adapt and seek new partnerships and private funding to meet its mission. You can read more about this at Axios Raleigh. Residents of Chatham Estates Mobile Home Park in Cary are bracing for possible displacement amid rumors of an impending closure notice. About 40 residents gathered last week after hearing unconfirmed reports that they could receive eviction notices as soon as yesterday, giving them 6 months to leave. The park, one of Cary's few remaining affordable housing options, has been for sale for 2 years. Many residents fear they'll be unable to relocate due to high local rents and immovable homes. Advocates are urging negotiations with the property's future buyer. Read more about this in the News and Observer. Liberation Station, North Carolina's first Black-owned children's bookstore, has reopened in a new location across from St. Augustine's University. Founder Victoria Scott Miller calls the move a homecoming, emphasizing the space's mission to affirm the identity of children of color through literature. The store initially closed less than a year after opening due to threats during an election year. The new Hill Street location opened on the 4th day of Kwanzaa, symbolizing cooperative economics. Programming will include books and educational resources designed to reflect and empower the community. Read more about this at WRAL. And when one door opens, another closes. Zest Cafe and Home Art, a North Raleigh staple, has closed after nearly 3 decades in business. The owners cited pandemic-related struggles, rising costs, and tariffs as reasons for shutting down. Saturday marked the cafe's final day of service. A going-out-of-business sale is planned for January 6th. Zest was known not only for its food, but also for a curated collection of locally sourced gifts and home goods. The business had been operated in recent years by Ben and Amanda Swirsky, who took over from Ben's parents. Read more about this in the Triangle Business Journal. As I mentioned at the top of the newscast, this is our last newscast for 2025. I'm Matt Peiken. I hope you have a safe and sunny new year, and I'll see you back here on Monday, January 5th with an all-new edition of Wake Up Raleigh.